Hello everyone, I'm back. I just wanted to go over this assignment that you need to do today. Again, what we're going to look at here is we're going to pretend as if these coins, and I chose quarters for you because I feel like they're nice and big and you can kind of tell on the screen which one's a heads and which ones. So here we have 2 quarters, heads on both sides and tails on both sides. For you all, you could use a penny, it really doesn't matter, but you're gonna need 2 of them because each coin represents one parent. So in our case, maybe left over here would be mom. Hopefully she's showing up. And right over here would be dad. Now, you have 2 options for the traits that they have. They are basically, and that's what this is showing you right here, one side of the coin, every coin has a head side. I apologize, that moved a little bit. Has a head side and a tail side. So this would represent a heterozygote. And the head side over here would be the big P, and the tail side would be the little p, okay? So both mom and dad have genotypes that look a little bit like this. Big P, little p, and big P, little p. Mom's is in red and dad's is in blue, okay? And the big P is the heads and the little p is the tails, and the big P is the heads, and the little t is the tail. And just like I said, every coin has a big P and a little p, okay? And so this is where it talks about both parents are heterozygotes and they have a big P, little p, okay? The first question says over here, sorry, I went a little bit too fast there. What are the chances of one parent giving a big P? Okay, well, here is, now where did my coins go? They ran away, but here is my coin. Here's mama, and we flip her, just like as if she had a normal cell and she needed to separate her alleles, the big P and the little p, for meiosis, and she ends up landing on, it's asking, what are the chances of her landing on the big P? Okay, and if you notice, what are the chances of this coin landing on heads or tails? It's a 50-50 shot. And then it asks, what are the chances of the other parent? Well, if your coin is the same, it's going to be a 50-50 shot again, okay? And then it asks, what are the chances of both parents giving a big P? And this is your big hint. You want to multiply this answer and this answer together, okay? So I don't want to give you every answer, just kind of wanted to get you started off. It goes on to ask about the little p, which is represented by the tail side of these coins, okay? And ask a couple other questions, which I'd like for you to kind of figure it out on your own. Now, here is, and I've already kind of filled this out, so let me take this off. This is just kind of showing you how I want you to fill it out. This is the actual experiment part of it. You are going to take both of your coins and you are going to flip them at the same time. Boop, 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 boop. And you're going to do this 10 times. And in this case, let's say both landed on heads. I don't know if you can see it in here, but both are on heads. So you look at your tally, and that would be the equivalent to big P, big P. So you're going to put a mark here. Does that make sense? And then you're going to flip them again. Boop, 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 boop. And let's say they both land on tails, okay? I'm afraid I can't get the other one in right now. It's somewhere in my papers I put down, but let's say you get 2 tails. So this guy gets tails, oh, here he is, and this guy is tails, okay? That would be equivalent of 2 little p's. So you would put a little mark here. And let's say you do it again. Again, you're going to have to do this 10 times. Boop, 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 boop. And this one lands on tails, and this one lands on heads. That would be equivalent to big P, little p, and you put a tally here. Uh-oh. something happened. Oops, I'm all messed up with my computer. Put a tally here. So you're going to keep doing that until you hit 10, and then you're going to answer the questions, and you're going to come down here and you're going to attempt to fill out a Punnett square. Okay? All right. Please email me if you have any questions. Good luck and have fun.